If you are managing Win32 applications, this video is very helpful for you. Microsoft recently introduced a new feature that allows us to use PowerShell script as the command line to install and uninstall the application. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to use this feature. With this update, you can now create custom PowerShell script to perform pre-installation and post-installation tasks. You no longer need to rely on any other automation tool or modify your base application to achieve these actions. So let's see how we can do this. Now I am on my client machine and let me open the Intune portal. And if we go to the Windows apps and create a new Win32 application or modify the existing Win32 application, let me open any Win32 application and go to the properties and go to the program and edit it. And here we are not able to see the new option to configure the PowerShell as an install command line or uninstall command line. So Microsoft is going to roll out this feature slowly in Win32 application. But if we open the any Windows catalog apps and go to the property, and if you edit the program, now here we can see that we have an option to configure the command line using the PowerShell script or using the command line tool. So I have already configured the installer type as PowerShell script for installation and uninstallation. And what I did, I already created an which is basically using the command line so that I can show you the difference between both the options. And here in this Google Chrome CMD, I am not using the PowerShell script as an installer for install or uninstall. And if we open the company portal and we can see that both the applications are now available. This one is using the command line and this one using the PowerShell script. I will show you the difference when we are implementing this and this. But before that, let me open the script and I will show you what I have added in the script. So this is very simple script. What I am going to do, I am running a pre-installed task. If you want to do some kind of registry creation, some kind of folder deletion or any task if you want to perform, you can create a script and add in this section. This is the install task where I am going to install the application. And this is the post installation task where I want to remove the desktop shortcuts and also remove the desktop shortcut for all users profile. You can modify this script as per your requirement. So let me first install the application which is using the command line option. And let me click on install. And at the same time, I am going to open the log also. And now we can see that application started installing. And if we go to the little bit up, we can see that is using the command line to install it and install the application. And now in some time, we will see the notification that application is now installed. Now we can see that application is now installed. And if we go to the desktop, we can see that we have an icon. So it means to remove this icon, we have to do some kind of modification or we have to modify the base application to remove this icon. But let me show you. If I use the PowerShell command line option, let me first quickly uninstall this application. Now I am going to install this application where I have used the PowerShell script as an installer. Let me reinstall this application. And if we open the logs, we can see that it is using the PowerShell script to install the application. and now it's installing the application, and it will perform all the actions whatever we mention in the particular script, like pre-install task, install task, and post-install task. And now we can see that we are getting exit code 0, and application is successfully installed. In a second, we will see a notification that application is installed successfully. After completing the detection reevaluation, we can see that application is now installed. And now important point is, if we go to the desktop, now we can see that the icon is not there. So that is the power of using the script as an installer. You can do the pre and post installation task by creating a custom script and use as an installer for installing any application or uninstalling application. So that's all I want to show you in this video, and I will provide you the install and uninstall sample script in the description so that you can modify as per your requirement and use it.